Welcome everyone. This is a Hunyuan Video 1.5 that runs on ComfyUI. It is a image to video and text to video generator. It can even upscale to 1080p. If you join my Patreon, you'll get this workflow for free, plus a prompt guide and direct links to every model file you need, so you can install it fast and get the same results I am in this video. In this workflow, I have an image to video workflow and a text to video workflow. These golden sections are simply upscalers to 1080p. Just use Control B to bypass them, or to unbypass them if you're going to use them or not. Plus, I have these extra nodes here that you can bypass or unbypass if your video generations are taking too long, or if you can sacrifice some quality for speed. Inside this workflow, I have two notes here that give you all of the links to the files that you need, plus the folder path for all the files. One thing you'll notice in the diffusion models is that you have a T to V, which is text to video, and you have an I to V, which is image to video. So you don't need to download all of them, only the ones you want to use. First, before we get into this workflow, there's a lot of wires, so I'm going to clean it up by going to File, Settings, Light Graph, scroll down to Graph Link Render Mode. I'm going to switch that to Hidden. They're all still connected. It's just so the wires don't get in the way. This is a pretty standard workflow, so I'm not going to go into detail on every single node. You have your basic load model, clip loader, VAE, and you have your starting image. So this is like your frame one. This video generator likes its prompts written a certain way, so I've included that in my file on my Patreon for free. You can use. You can also write it any way you want to, like standard English is fine. It'll still get it. It just understands it better if you write it a certain way. This is your create video node, and the frames per second is set at 24. Feel free to change it. The more frames per second, the longer the generation will take, but there's also a downside. If you go too few frames per second, like if you go down to 12, it'll be a little bit jittery because it only has a certain amount of frames per second. And this node is your standard one. It tells you the size of the image that you want and also the length. So if you go 24 divided by 121, you'll get 5 seconds, and that's how long the video will be. This section is your basic sampler, and it works just like a regular sampler. The only difference is I split it up into different segments so you can understand it better, but it's just like a regular K sampler. And then you generate the video. And it just repeats. I know this video is a quick one, but I give everything for free. The workflow, the prompt guide, all the files on my Patreon. So you can simply copy it over, paste it, and start generating yourself and testing out each theme. If your computer can't run it, you can simply use RunPod. I have a link in the description that you can earn $500 to $500 to use RunPod after signing up.